Greetings, everyone. I want to start today by expressing sincere thanks to the essential workers in our community, the region, and across the province who've been working throughout the crisis on behalf of their fellow New Brunswickers. Our healthcare workers, police, firefighters, paramedics, and essential service providers, including our own town staff here. Let's ensure they know we greatly appreciate their time, energy, dedication, and service. I also want to thank the leaders in our community who helped create the Tantramar COVID-19 Task Force. It is now helping coordinate efforts toward offsetting the impacts COVID-19 measures are having on some of the most vulnerable people in our midst. The task force is establishing action groups that will allow community groups and volunteers to better maximize all available resources of the area. Please visit our town website for links to the task force, and to communicate directly, you can try the email at enquiry.tctf@gmail.com. Help spread the word about this new and valuable resource to ensure we can reach all of those who may be struggling. This week, I spoke with the Honourable Brenda Murphy, Lieutenant Governor of New Brunswick, who is reaching out to mayors across the province. Ms. Murphy, who is a former municipal councillor, congratulates Sackville residents and businesses for following so well the medical advice for flattening the curve of COVID-19 cases. It's only when we all take responsibility for our own frequent hand washing, physical distancing, avoiding non-essential travel, and self-isolating at home that we can reduce everyone's risk. Ms. Murphy offers her personal thanks and ongoing encouragement to each of you. Another call this week was between Dr. Jennifer Russell, the Chief Medical Officer of Health for New Brunswick, with local officials across the province. She acknowledged some success against the pandemic, with fewer infected and fewer in hospital throughout the province, but urged leaders to reinforce the message that now is not the time to let up. As Dr. Russell noted, we may not yet know when this pandemic will end, but we do know that if some of us choose now to ease up, that end is going to be much further away. Please continue to offer your support in whatever ways you can to our local business community. Establishments have adapted their practices and are doing what they can to stay open and serve you. You can find information on the adjusted business operations and other related items on the town website. I want to reiterate once again the importance of paying attention to your own self-care and the well-being of others around us. Regular exercise, eating well, and getting enough sleep will remain important to everybody. As Dr. Russell noted, getting out for fresh spring air is going to be great, but it cannot be an excuse to congregate. We must continue to respect physical distancing. In conclusion, I want to sincerely thank the people of Tantramar for your impressive handling of this challenging situation. It is so gratifying to see that your sense of community remains strong despite the obstacles we're facing. Please be aware of those around us who may require support. Continue to check in on loved ones, seniors, and those you know live alone. A simple wave, message, or even a telephone call, they can all safely bridge the distancing gap and may even make someone's day. Thank you, and keep it up.